everybody. In this video, we're going to be going over how I fixed my everyday carry bag strap. Since the clip had broken off, I did a very temporary fix and wanted this to be fixed for real. This was what the clip looked like, and it broke. I ended up seam ripping the thread out of the strap. This is what it looked like before. What we're gonna have to do is go and look at some buckles and clips and find your favorite one. This one wasn't too bad, but there was one that I had my eye on. It just felt stronger and was made of a better material in my opinion. So once we have confirmed the look and the clip was strapped on, we're going to thread the clip through the strap. Then we're going to take a really good look at this mechanism here. So the loop comes around like this, and this end will go underneath that bar. Once it is underneath the bar, you're going to fold over the edge like this, and then fold it over again to wrap it around. I left the thread from the previous stitches in line so I can make sure to stitch it back where it was before. You are then going to sew through 3 layers, not 4 layers. Sewing through 3 layers will allow the bag to be adjustable in the future. Just those top 3 layers. Here I am sewing through very carefully the top 3 layers of the strap. You can see the 4th layer is off to the side. This is the final look of the strap. It is all sewn together, and as you can see, it is still adjustable. So you can change the size to your heart's content. This was a very easy and quick fix. I would recommend taking pictures of the strap before you take it apart, just in case you need to remember how it looked. This is my new everyday carry bag, finally fixed and functional again. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching.